Good day everyone. Today, I'm gonna discuss learnings from Cebu City and Bohol Province rules and regulation. So, Cebu City, the city establishment, the Cebu City Tourism Commission, through Ordinance number 1068 to oversee tourism development, promote local culture, and regulate tourism-related businesses, tourism activities are structured to manage crowds and enhance visitor experience within safety and sustainability. Cebu for My TV, Bohol Province. Cut mo muna sa. Sa Bohol na ako, tol. Hinahabol ko, tol. And to Bohol Province declares as a national tourism zone under Republic Act number 9446, Bohol emphasizes eco-cultural tourism balancing development with environmental conservation. In Panglao, specific ordinances regulate activities in marine protected areas, prohibiting actions like spear fishing, collection of marine organisms, and underwater photography without permits to protect marine biodiversity.